I pray for safe and strong finish for my first ever marathon. Maraming salamat, Lord, and lalaban tayo. Guys, this is the day, Manila Marathon. And medyo malungkot lang ako, guys, kasi 2 hours lang yung tulog ko from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Parang 2 hours lang yung tulog ko doon. So sana matapos ko yung full marathon with just 2 hours sleep. Never ako nag-training na walang tulog. Kung kailan yung actual marathon, saka pa ako walang tulog. Pero tingnan natin, let's go ahead and see. Tara, bihis na tayo! Actually, naiihi ako. Walang CR dito sa paligid. Doon daw sa, may portalet daw doon sa starting area. So, ang dami ng mga runners, guys. Ang dami ng mga sasakyan here. Pahirapan makapasok sa parking. Pero good thing, maaga tayo ng 1 hour. Let's make palit. Here, Manila Marathon. At guys, kabit na natin yung bib natin. Here's my outfit. Ready na. Guys, okay na race bib natin. We're good. Wala na tayo lumaban. Lord, I just pray that you'll guide me and give me strength as I do my first ever full marathon. Kulang ako sa tulog, but I trust in you that you'll give me strength. Sana hindi masayang yung mga trainings ko. I pray for safe and strong finish for my first ever marathon. Maraming salamat, Lord, and lalaban tayo. Okay guys, pray for me. Mahaba-haba tong 42 kilometers. Pasay, Parañaque, Makati, Manila, pabalik dito sa MOA. So, pray for me. Bye!